Windows are a vital part of your home's functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. In Meridian, where the climate ranges from warm summers to cooler winters, properly maintaining your windows is essential to ensure their longevity and optimal performance. Regular care not only keeps your windows looking great but also prevents costly repairs and replacements. Here are some practical tips to help you maintain your Meridian windows for years to come. Regular cleaning. Keeping your windows clean is the first step in maintaining their appearance and performance. Glass. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar to remove dirt, dust, and smudges. Wipe with a lint-free cloth or squeegee for a streak-free shine. Frames. Clean window frames with mild soap and water to remove dirt and grime. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage finishes, especially on wood or vinyl frames. Tracks and sills. Vacuum or brush away debris from window tracks and sills to ensure smooth operation and prevent buildup. Inspect for damage. Periodic inspections help identify issues early before they become costly problems. Cracks or chips. Check glass panes for cracks or chips that could compromise insulation and safety. Frame integrity. Look for warping, cracks, or signs of wear in window frames. Seal condition. Inspect weather stripping and seals for gaps or damage that could lead to air or water leaks. Addressing these issues promptly can extend the lifespan of your windows and maintain energy efficiency. Lubricate moving parts. Windows with moving components, such as sliding or crank mechanisms, need regular lubrication to function smoothly. Hinges and locks. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to hinges, locks, and other moving parts to prevent rust and ensure ease of operation. Tracks. Use a small amount of lubricant on window tracks to keep them running smoothly and prevent sticking. Avoid over-lubricating, as excess product can attract dust and dirt. Maintain weather stripping. Weather stripping plays a crucial role in keeping your windows energy efficient by sealing out drafts and moisture. Inspect annually. Check for wear, cracks, or detachment. Replace as needed. Replace damaged weather stripping promptly to maintain a tight seal. Clean regularly. Wipe down weather stripping with a damp cloth to remove dirt and debris. Protect against UV damage. Meridian's sunny climate can cause fading and damage to window materials over time. Install UV blocking films. Apply UV blocking films to protect frames, furniture, and flooring from sun damage. Use window treatments. Curtains, blinds, or shades can reduce direct sunlight exposure and help regulate indoor temperatures. Prepare for seasonal changes. Seasonal maintenance ensures your windows are ready to handle Meridian's varying weather conditions. Before winter, check seals and weather stripping to ensure no drafts will let cold air in. Clean and lubricate moving parts to prevent freezing. Before summer, inspect for cracks or damage that could allow heat to enter. Ensure window treatments are in place to reduce solar gain. During storm season, verify that windows are properly sealed and securely installed to withstand strong winds and rain. Ensure proper drainage. Clogged drainage channels can lead to water pooling and damage to your windows and walls. Check drainage holes. Inspect and clear drainage holes on windows regularly to ensure water flows away properly. Clean surrounding areas. Keep the area around your windows free of debris and ensure proper runoff. Schedule professional inspection. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, professional inspections can identify hidden issues that might go unnoticed. Annual checkups. Schedule a professional inspection annually to assess the condition of your windows and recommend necessary repairs or upgrades. Warranty compliance. Some window warranties require regular professional maintenance to remain valid. Upgrade when necessary. Even with the best care, windows eventually reach the end of their lifespan. If your windows are outdated, inefficient, or damaged beyond repair, consider upgrading to modern, energy-efficient options that are better suited for Meridian's climate. Conclusion. Proper window maintenance is key to preserving their functionality, appearance, and energy efficiency. By cleaning regularly, inspecting for damage, and addressing issues promptly, you can extend the life of your Meridian windows and ensure they perform at their best. Don't forget to schedule professional inspections and consider upgrades when necessary to keep your home comfortable and beautiful for years to come. Investing time and care into maintaining your windows is an effort that pays off in lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, and long-lasting durability. Start your maintenance routine today and enjoy the benefits of well-maintained windows in your Meridian home.